Bob, you were an adjuster for how long? 25, 30 years?
28 years.
28 years. Yeah. So we worked together clearly when you were an adjuster.
Several times.
Yeah. And then Bob came to me one day and just explained that maybe his job that he was doing lost a little luster in what he was doing and wanted to do a new thing in life. So you came over to the dark side, right?
I did. Yeah. I like being on the dark side.
Have you enjoyed your work?
Oh God, yes.
Have you?
And half the people I see every day were people I've known for years too.
That's awesome. Well, and how many lives, not only being an adjuster clearly, but coming into this role, like how many lives have you changed over your career? Like that's got to be important to you, right?
I used to help them out financially, but now I can be there right there when they have the problem. And it's very rewarding helping people.
Well, and you see that we do what we preach. We really become the intermediary between the customer and the insurance company, right?
That is so correct.
I mean, we do this on a regular basis, so we know the rules of insurance, right? I mean, the customer, this is probably the first claim they've ever had and probably the first claim they're ever going to have. So they don't know the rules of the game. If just left to their insurance company, it's a lose-lose battle potentially for the customer because they just don't have the knowledge to ask the correct questions.
They don't do it.
Yeah, they just simply can't. And we can help them through that entire process. I don't want to make it sound like big bad insurance company, right?
No.
That's clearly not what I'm talking about. But there are a lot of insurance companies out there, and they have to protect their bottom line too. So you can't hardly fault them for trying to cut corners on claims. I mean, it is their biggest expense, but we need to be there for the customer to make sure that we're on an even playing field, right? I mean, that's the goal.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you help do that?
Just my experience. I have a great rapport with all the agents, and many of them are dear friends of mine, and I'll have friends for the rest of my life.
Yeah, the agent on the other side wants to help the customer,
they
right?
Really do.
I mean, that's clearly it's important to them. So if we can be there with the agent, and on the side of the insurance company, we can just help the customer through the entire process.
And many of these agents know how I used to handle claims, and they know how I handle the same way with the customers now as I did then.
Yeah,
I'll treat everybody the exact same way.
And the way that you treat the customer is extremely important, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we appreciate your love for the work so much and everything you do here at Crew. Thank you so much.
Oh gosh, yes, it's great. It's been a wonderful 5 years. I look for another 5.
That's awesome.